Hello.
Hello.
This is Miss Mary.
And this is Maria. And today we're going to talk about the animals.
First, Maria is going to read the word.
Then I'll show you the pictures.
And we will do actions for the animals. Okay, let's start it. The first one.
Okay. Elephant.
Elephant.
All right. Next we've got leopard.
Is this one? See, the O is silent.
Yes.
Leopard.
Cool. Next we've got
This one.
bear. Okay. Next, turtle.
Silent E. Okay?
Turtle.
And this is okay?
Next, we have monkey.
Monkey.
Next, we got tiger.
This is I. Okay? I. Tiger.
Next, we have snake.
Snake. And this is A. A. Snake.
Oh, lucky last. Spider. Spider.
Spider. Okay? And this is I. And okay? Spider.
Okay, and that's it.
That's it.
We'll see you next time.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.